Hey guys, Aurora here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook very flavorful jasmine lemongrass rice. So, before we get down to it, if this is your first time, please like this channel and subscribe if you haven't already. And so, let's get this video going. First, we need 1.5 cup of jasmine rice. Put it into a frying pan, brown it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add a 1 can of chicken broth and stir it a little bit and cover. Let it steam for at least 10 minutes. Now I'm going to harvest some fresh lemongrass in my yard. Now we need to clean and cut the lemongrass, and we only need the core of the lemongrass, the white part. Now chop the lemongrass very finely. Now the rice appears to be more fluffier. We can go ahead and steam the rice for another 5 minutes and cover the rice. It smells so good already. Now I am ready to serve myself. I'm gonna put this rice into a bowl. I'm gonna add my Filipino pork adobo. It smells delicious already. Now I can add the adobo gravy into the rice. Now let's not forget to add vegetables. In this instance, I am using cauliflower. Smells good already. There it is. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye.